Friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. When you pause for a moment to consider the cosmos in all its grandeur, it truly is a humbling experience. The universe is an enchanting tapestry of stars, planets, galaxies, and unknown mysteries, dwarfing us in its size and complexity. The more science uncovers about the universe, the more we realize how much we don't know. And it's in this beautiful, profound unknown where spirituality intertwines with the cosmos. In spiritual understanding, the universe isn't just a physical reality, it's a grand metaphysical entity, an interconnected web of energies and consciousness. Spirituality tells us that every atom, every star, every galaxy, and indeed every bit of dark matter, is connected in a harmonious dance. We, as sentient beings, are part of this grand dance. This perspective can feel overwhelming, but it's also incredibly empowering. We're not just passive observers in the universe, we're active participants, intricately woven into the cosmic tapestry. Our thoughts, actions, and intentions echo through this interconnected web. This is why concepts such as mindfulness, compassion, and kindness hold immense importance in spiritual practices. They're not just personal moral guidelines, but universal energies we put forth. To delve deeper into this concept, let's discuss the fundamental principles of spirituality, unity, duality, and balance, that help us understand our connection to the universe. The principle of unity underlines the spiritual truth that everything in the universe is connected. This echoes the words of great thinkers and spiritual masters who have repeatedly shared that we're all one. From the tiniest grain of sand to the most gargantuan galaxies, everything originates from the same source of universal energy. This implies that we're not separate from the universe, but a part of it. When we internalize this, our perception of ourselves and others begins to shift, fostering empathy, understanding, and love. The principle of duality, on the other hand, introduces us to the concept of opposing energies, light and darkness, creation and destruction, love and fear, that are inherent in the universe. Accepting duality doesn't mean we're inviting negative energy into our lives. Instead, it's acknowledging that light and shadow are integral parts of existence. By acknowledging and understanding duality, we allow ourselves to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and wisdom. The principle of balance is the culmination of understanding unity and duality. It's the harmonious dance of all the universal energies. Just as nature effortlessly maintains balance, we, too, can achieve a similar equilibrium in our lives. Meditation, mindfulness, compassion, and gratitude are tools that can help us align with the universal balance. Interpreting the universe through a spiritual lens, therefore, is about realizing our unity with it, understanding the dance of duality within it, and striving for balance to align with its energy. This understanding, however, isn't merely an intellectual process, it's experiential. It's about feeling the breeze and knowing you're an extension of it. It's about looking at the stars and realizing that the same cosmic fire burns within you. Yet, understanding the universe isn't about seeking answers or explanations. It's about experiencing awe, wonder, and humility. It's about finding comfort in the unknown and making peace with the mystery. This spiritual journey into the cosmos doesn't diminish us. Instead, it magnifies our potential, highlighting our capacity for love, compassion, and wisdom. In essence, the spiritual understanding of the universe is about remembering our cosmic heritage. It's about realizing that we're stardust beings with the universe within us, capable of love, compassion, and boundless creativity. It's about acknowledging the profound responsibility that comes with this truth, that our thoughts, actions, and energy contribute to the universal symphony. When we harm others, we harm ourselves. When we love others, we love ourselves. In this grand cosmic dance, every step we take resonates across the cosmos, making an impact in ways we may never fully grasp. Embracing the spiritual understanding of the universe is a journey that ultimately brings us back to ourselves. It reveals that we aren't separate, lonely entities drifting in space but integral parts of a grand, mystical entity. It allows us to see our fellow beings not as strangers, but as fellow travelers in this cosmic journey. This shift in perspective has the power to transform our relationships, our communities, and indeed, our world. This understanding also sheds light on our purpose. While there are as many purposes as there are stars in the sky, one unifying purpose that emerges from this spiritual understanding is to live in harmony with the universe. To respect its laws, to honor its wisdom, and to contribute positively to its energy. This could manifest in myriad ways in our lives. It might inspire us to take better care of our planet, to show more kindness to others, or to embark on a path of self-discovery and personal growth. In conclusion, understanding the universe spiritually is about recognizing our cosmic identity, realizing our interconnectedness, and embracing our responsibility as active participants in this universal dance. It's a journey of exploration, self-discovery, and ultimately, transformation. As we delve deeper into this understanding, we might find that the universe is not just out there, but also within us, a silent, wise, nurturing presence, guiding us on our journey through life. And perhaps most beautifully, this journey doesn't demand that we reach a certain destination or attain a specific understanding. Instead, it invites us to simply be, to be present, to be curious, to be kind, to be humble, to be human, and ultimately, to be universal.